even try. You talk and I forget the rest. My heart skips out of my chest. Not saying love, not just yet, but you're someone I can't forget. You might be my type. I kinda like that vibe. Maybe it's just a little crush, or maybe it's more than a passing hush. But if you ever wanna know, I'll be the first to let it show. You might be my type, and that's alright. I'd stay up just to text you all night. You smile and the whole world slows like a movie I don't wanna close. Not saying love, but let's not deny there's something shining in your eye. You might be my type, and maybe I'm yours tonight. You might be my type. Just say